Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to the Online Cook's Kitchen. Talking about quick and delicious meals, this onion sauce should make it to your menu. So, today I'm going to show you how to make onion sauce the African way, slightly spicy and delicious. Perfect for eating rice, pasta, yam, onion sauce, and fish, or for fish, delicious. Just like tomato sauce, you will love this simple and easy recipe as well. So let's get started. I'll peel a lot of onions. I'll slice about 10% of it and blend the remaining 90% to a paste. Here I have some garlic, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet red long pepper, and bell pepper. I'll clean all these ingredients and blend to a rough texture as well. You'll see what it looks like much later in the video. Into my pot, I'll pour a quarter cup of bleached palm oil. This oil is also known as ofada oil or ayamashi oil because it has a potent taste and it is a main ingredient of cooking ofada sauce. Also, I'll add my palm oil, a quarter cup of palm oil as well. This palm oil is also known as red oil. So if you hear anybody say red oil, this is what they're talking about. While I wait for the oil to heat up nicely, here I have my already boiled eggs and I'll proceed to peel off the shell while I wait. Now that the oil is nicely hot, it is ready for the next step. So into the hot oil, I'll pour my sliced onions and allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. If you do not like to see onions in your food, then do well to skip this step. After frying for 5 minutes, I'll remove the fried onions from the oil and I'll set it aside. And then I'll get the oil ready for the next step. Now, here is what the fried onion looks like. And by now, the kitchen is so heavenly. It smells lovely. Into that hot oil, I'll pour my pepper mix and mix very well. Then I'll proceed to season with some ingredients that would really take the taste of this sauce up a notch to the next level. I'll add 1 tablespoon dried thyme, half tablespoon salt, 2 stock cubes. By the way, I need to let you know that the list of all the ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box. Also, I'll add 1 tablespoon curry powder. I'll give it a good mix and allow it to fry for 10 minutes on medium heat. While I wait for it to fry properly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel because I post new videos every single week. Here is the sauce after 10 minutes of frying on medium heat, and you will notice a significant reduction in the liquid in it. It looks drier than earlier. Now it's time for the onion paste. I'll pour everything into the sauce. I give it a very good mix and then I'll add the other ingredients, that is the boiled eggs and the fried fish. Do well to use any protein of choice. This recipe is delicious with fish, turkey, beef, egg, chicken. Any protein of choice is lovely and tasty. I'll put the fried fish as well, and the fried fish I'm using for this is fried mackerel fish. I'll cover the pot and cook for 20 minutes on medium heat. Like I said, if you are looking for something quick and delicious to make, then you should try this onion sauce. Just leave it in your kitchen and use it whenever you want to switch up the taste of your meals. Here is what it looks like after 20 minutes of cooking. I'll give it a good stir just to ensure that nothing gets stuck to the bottom of the pot. I don't want my sauce to burn. Now I'll go ahead and add the fried onions I made earlier. Like I said, if you do not like to see onions in your food, do well to skip this part totally. It still tastes lovely and nice as long as you blended the onions to a paste. you are good to go. You are on the right track. Here is the fried onions. I'll add it, I'll stir it into the sauce, and I'll allow it to fry for 5 minutes on medium heat still. And I'm almost at the end of this video. Like I said, I told you earlier, right? This is a very simple and straightforward recipe. It is sweet, it is nice. I think because it is so sweet, some people call it sweet onions sauce. It is sweet, it is nice, and I hope you try this onion sauce recipe and just let me know how it tastes. It's so good to have you here, and it's so lovely to know that I am speaking to you. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I really do appreciate your time. It's been a privilege being on your screen, sharing one of my many recipes with you. Till I post my next video, have a lovely time. Bye.